Hello student, today we start the revision of chapter 2. Our chapter 2 is a fraction. Listen. Now, what is the meaning of fraction? Write one definition. Fraction is represented fraction is represented in the form of m अपॉन n. कोई भी जो फ्रैक्शन है वो m अपॉन n के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट होगा वेयर n इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0. मीन्स क्या है कि जो भी अपना डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट होगा वो 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. देन दिस फॉर्म इज नोन एज फ्रैक्शन. सो वी स्टार्ट सम क्वेश्चन, that is exercise 2.1, our first question. In revision means we solve each type one or two questions, that is enough. Our first question is express the following in mixed fraction. 98 upon 11. We have to represent the 98 upon 11 in the form of a mixed fraction. How we have to convert it in mixed fraction? Divide 98 by 11. 11 8s are 88 minus 0 1. So representation of mixed fraction is 8 is written here, that is 8. 11 goes to denominator and 10 goes to upside, that is 10 upon 11. So 8 10 upon 11 is the mixed fraction representation of 98 upon 11. It is A. Come on, B question. 200 upon 15. 200 upon 15. Firstly, convert the number in the simplest form, then represent it in mixed fraction. How to convert it in simplest form? 215. Both are divisible by 5. So, firstly, divide it by 5. 5 3s are 50. And 5 40s are 200. So, its simplest form is 40 upon 3. Now divide 40 upon 3 and convert it in mixed fraction. 3 1s are 3, 1 0. 3 3s are 9, 1. Then its representation in mixed fraction is 13, 1 by 3. 13 is come here, 1 goes and 3 come here. 13, 3, 1. So 13, 1 by 3 is in mixed fraction representation of 200 upon 15. Then come on next question. That is third question. What is our third question? Convert the following fraction into like fraction. What is like fraction? Right? First question, that is 7 upon 12 and 5 upon 20. Meaning of like fraction is that to just make the denominator part same. If the denominator part is same, we can say that the fraction is like. How to make the denominator part same? By taking LCM. So take LCM of 12 and 20. सभी को आता है LCM लेना already. How to take LCM? So LCM of 12 and 20 is 60. So to make both the denominator part 60, 7 upon 12. इस 12 में किस नंबर का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? सो इट विल बिकम 60. 12 5 is 60. यदि 5 का डिनोमिनेटर में क्या है? सो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर आल्सो. 5 upon 20. 20 multiply by 360. So multiply it in numerator also. 7 5 is 35 upon 12. 5 is 60. 5 3 is 15 upon 12. 3 is 60. So 35 upon 60, 15 upon 60, both denominator are same, so we can say that it is a like fraction. Then come on next question, that is 4. A. Which is greater, 10 upon 13 or 13? 9 upon 13. Here already the denominator part is same. If the denominator part is not same, make the denominator part same by taking LCM. and if the denominator part is same, then check the numerator part. Whose numerator is greater, the number is greater. So in between 9 and 10, 10 is greater, so we can say that 10 upon 13 is greater. It is only the greater than and less than. Then come on, next question, that is fifth question. Fifth A. In fifth and sixth, in both the question we have to arrange the fraction in ascending order or descending order. Both have same process. We will solve one question, that is 5 upon 12, 7 upon 6 and 9 upon 10. So see, when arranging it in numerator, when arranging it in ascending or descending, firstly see the denominator part and make all the denominator parts same. How we have to make the denominator part same? By taking LCM. So LCM of 12, 6, 10. Take the LCM of 12, 6, 10. LCM of 12, 6, 10. LCM कैसे लेते हैं? 12, 6, 10. Divide it. Divided by 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 2 5 are 10. Again divide by 2, 2 3 are 6, 2 से divide नहीं होगा, 5 भी नहीं होगा. Again by 3, 1 1 5. Again by 5, 1 1 1. So multiplication of these number, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, is known as LCM. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So LCM of 12 6 10 is 60. इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ? We have to make the denominator of all these digits 60. 5 by 12, 12 5 is 60, so multiply by 5 by 5. Then 7 by 6, 6 10s are 60, so multiply it by 6, 10 10. 9 by 10, multiplied by 6 6 6, so it will become 60. 5 5s are 25 upon 60, 70 upon 60 and 54 upon 60. If the denominator part is same, then check the numerator part. If the numerator is smaller, then the digit is smaller. If the numerator is greater, then the digit is greater. So we have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means सबसे छोटा part लिखना है. So in all these three numerator, 25 is the smaller. 25 upon 60 is less than 54 upon 60. Is less than 70 upon 60. Then after this write the original number. 25 upon 60 comes from 5 by 12. 54 by 60 comes from 9 by 10. And 70 upon 60 comes from 7 by 6. So these numbers are arranged in ascending order. So जैसे ascending order के लिए arrange हुआ है, same to same process descending के लिए भी arrange हो जाएगा. So sixth question you can solve. Then now come on next question, that is seventh question. In seventh question what we have to do? In seventh question we have to solve the insert fraction between. We have to insert the fraction. 7. Insert fraction between 20 and 21. 20 and 21 and 25 26 upon 26 means क्या है? We have to given these two fraction and we have insert one fraction between these two. इससे बड़ा होना चाहिए और इससे छोटा होना चाहिए. दोनों के बीच में एक फ्रैक्शन को अपने को इंसर्ट करना है. सो फ्रैक्शन को इंसर्ट करने के लिए सिंपल सा प्रोसेस है. जस्ट ऐड बोथ द न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. सो 20 प्लस 25 दोनों न्यूमिनेटर्स को प्लस करेंगे अपन दोनों डिनोमिनेटर्स को प्लस करेंगे. 21 upon 26. So 20 plus 25 is 45 and 21 plus 26 is 47. So 45 upon 47 is the number which comes between these two numbers. Or we can write 20 upon 21 is less than 45 upon 47 is less than 25 upon 26. So the number is inserted between these two numbers. It is the process to insert the number. Next, 8th question. 7/11 and 15/19, and we have to insert two number between these two. So two number insert करने के लिए फर्स्ट नंबर के लिए तो सेम प्रोसेस होगा. For finding first number, process is same. 7 plus 15 upon 11 plus 19. 7 plus 15, 22 upon 19 plus 11 is 30. So divide by 22 and 30. Both numbers are divisible by 2. So write it 11 by 15. So it is our first number. Then for finding second number, what we have to do? Just find this between these number. Now it is written as 7 by 11, 11 by 15 and 15 by 19. So अभी अपन ने इन दोनों नंबर्स के बीच में फाइंड किया. अभी अपन इन दोनों नंबर्स के बीच में फाइंड कर सकते हैं या इधर भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं. बोथ है सेम मीनिंग. सो सेकंड नंबर के लिए क्या करेंगे? इन दोनों को प्लस कर देंगे. 7 plus 11 upon 11 plus 15. 7 plus 11 is 18 and it is 26. Again it both are divisible by 2, so it is 9 by 13. So our second number is this. So we can write 7 by 11 less than 9 by 13 less than 11 by 15 less than 15 by 19. So these two numbers are inserted between 7 by 11 and 15 by 9. Then ninth question. Ninth question, what we have to do in ninth question? We have to verify 16 upon 45, 16 upon 45 and 288 upon 810. 288 upon 810 are equivalent fraction. We have to justify that both are equivalent fraction. So how we have to justify that equivalent fraction? Convert 288 upon 810 in the simplest form. After converting simplest form, see if both numbers are equal, then we can say that it is equivalent. So 288 upon 810, convert in the simplest form. If it is divisible by 2, 144 upon 405 it will become. Again divide by 2, it will become 72 upon, no, it is not divisible by 2. Then what we have to do? Divide it by 3. So if we divide it by 3, it will become 144 divided by 3 is 48. And 405 divided by 3 is 135. Again divide 48 and 135 by 3. So 48 is divisible by 3, then it will become 16, and 135 is divisible by 3, it will become 45. So it is also 16 upon 45 and it is also 16 upon 45. So we can write 16 upon 45 is equal to 16 upon 45. So it is equivalent or it is equal. I think now exercise 2.1 is clear to everyone. Now come on next exercise. That is exercise 1.2. Sorry, 2.2. Exercise 2.2. Come on, first question. Evaluate the following. We have to evaluate. Evaluate means we have to just solve the question. 7 by 10 plus 3 by 10 plus 9 by 10. Here all the denominator part are same already. If the denominator part are same, just add the numerator part. Write denominator one time. 7 plus 3 plus 9. 7 plus 3 10. 10 plus 9 is 19 upon 10. So its answer is, no, it is, sorry, here it is minus there. If it, here is minus, here is also minus. 7 plus 3 10 and 10 minus 9 is 1. So its answer is 1 upon 10. B. 8 by 5, so 5 by 8 plus 1 by 4 plus, minus 7 by 2. If the denominator part is not same, firstly we have to make the denominator part same. How we have to make the denominator part same? Just by taking LCM. So take the LCM of 8, 4, 12. 8, 4, 12 LCM is 24. LCM लेना सभी को आता है. You can solve it. So 5 by 8 we have to make 8 is 24. So 8 3 is 24. 1 by 4, 4 में किसका मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? So it will become 24. 4 6 is 24. So multiply by 4. 7 by 12, and 12 when you multiply by 2 it will become 24. So it is 15 upon 24, 4 upon 24, 14 upon 24. Now see, all the denominator parts are same. If the denominator part are same, then we can say that, multiply by 6 here. Okay, 6 यहाँ किया है, so यहाँ पर भी 6 करना होगा. If the denominator part are same, then add or subtract numerator only. So 15 plus 6 minus 14 upon 24. So 15 plus 6 is 21 minus 14 upon 24. 21 minus 14 is 7. So it is 7 upon 24. So it is the answer, 7 upon 24. Now come on next question, that is second. 3 by 5 find the, यहाँ पे भी solve करना है. 3 by 5 of 165 meter. So 3 by 5 of means multiplication and 165. Just क्या करना है, of की जगह multiply put करना है and solve. 5 ones are 5, 33 times cut होगा 165. Then 3 into 33. 3 into 33 is 99 meters. So it is the answer. Next B. 4 by 7 of 2 1 by 3 r. 2 1 by 3 r. So it is in mixed fraction. Convert firstly mixed fraction to fraction. So it is 4 by 7 of means multiply. 2 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 7 by 3. 7 and 7 both are divided. So it will become 4 by 3. Now convert 4 by 3 in mixed fraction. Why? Because we have given answer is in mixed fraction. और यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन जो R में दिया है वो भी mixed fraction है. So 4 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 and 1. So it is 1 1 by 3r. So its answer is 1 1 by 3r. Now come on next question, that is 3. What is our third question? Find the reciprocal. We have to find just the reciprocal. So reciprocal का meaning तो simple होता है. Just we have to reverse the number. Means our first is 7 by 8. Just reverse the number. Numerator को denominator में लिखना है, denominator को numerator में. It is the reciprocal. B. 13 by 7. Just reverse it. 7 by 13 is the answer of reciprocal. Reciprocal is easy. Then come on fourth question. Fourth A. A is given. Reduce the following complex fraction to the simplest form. ये complex form में दिया है and we have to reduce it in simplest form, that is 3 1 by 2 upon 14. Complex को simplest में कैसे reduce करना होगा? It is in mixed fraction. Firstly convert mixed fraction to fraction. How? 3 to the 6, 6 plus 1 7. ये लिखा जाता है 3 into 2 plus 1 upon 2 all upon 14. So 3 to the 6, 6 plus 1, it is written as 7 by 2 all upon 14. Now 14 के upon में कुछ नहीं होता है, so put 1. It is written as 14 upon 1. In next step what we have to do? Write 7 by 2. ये जो all divide है ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कन्वर्ट होता है, then reverse the digit or interchange the next digit, that is it is written as 1 by 14. It is 14 by 1, it is written as 1 by 14. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So it is 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4. So its answer is 1 by 4. Then come on next question, that is B. B क्या लिखा हुआ है आपके पास क्वेश्चन? See in the book. 2 1 by 2, इसका भी इसी फोर्थ क्वेश्चन का 2 1 by 2 all upon 4 1 by 6. 4 1 by 6. So both are easy in mixed fraction. Convert firstly in the fraction. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. All divided by 4 6 is 24 plus 1, 25 by 6. Now 5 by 2. All divided जो है converted in multiplication, then reverse the digit 6 upon 25. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. 5 1s are 5 5s are 25. Then 1 into 3 3, 1 into 5 5. So its simplest form is 3 by 5. Now clear to everyone? Then come on next question. That is fifth A. What is fifth A question? 1 1 by 5, 1 1 by 5 of 6 1 by 3, 6 1 by 3 plus 3 2 by 5, 3 2 by 5 all divide 8 by 15. What we have to do? We have to simplify. It is a lengthy question and we have to simplify. So solve step by step. Firstly convert mixed fraction to fraction. 1 into 5, 5 plus 1, it is 6 by 5. Off means multiply. 6 3 is 18, 18 plus 1, it is 19 by 3 plus 3 5 is 15, 15 plus 2, it is 17 by 5. It is in one bracket divided by 8 by 15. Firstly, we have to solve the bracket part. By this question we have to solve by the rule of BODMAS, and BODMAS के अंदर अपने को सबसे पहले bracket solve करना है. So how to solve the bracket? Just take the LCM of 3 and 5 and make the denominator part same. So LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So we have to multiply here 5 by 5 and here 3 by 3. So 6 by 5, 19 5s are 95 plus 17 3s are 51. 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15. Now denominator part is 7 divided by 8 by 15. Remaining question we can write as it is. It is same 6 by 5. Now 95 plus 51 plus it, 5 plus 1 6, 9 plus 4 8, that is 14, is 146 upon 15. Then how we have to divide in fraction? Just convert the division in multiplication and reverse the reciprocal the next digit. So 8 by 15 is written as 15 by 8. So these both 15 15 is cancelled. 4 is divisible by 2, then it will become 8 is divisible by 2, then it will become 4. Then 146 is divisible by 2, then it will become 73. In next step 6 by 5 multiply. Here is 1 only, that is 73 upon 4. Again both 6 and 4 is divisible by 2. So it is 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So in next step it is 3 into 73 upon 5 into 2. So 3 into 73 is 219 multiplied and 5 2s are 10. So 219 upon 10 is the answer. If you want to convert it mixed fraction, then divide it. 219 divided by 10. 10 2s are 20, 1 9. 10 1s are 10 and 9. So its mixed fraction is 21 9 upon 10. Both are answered. So I think exercise 2.2 is also clear. So practice these types of question by your own.